In this demo, we'll learn how to manage an embargo or OPSL note in the AAR embargo system. The system is used by railroads to issue instructions to temporarily control traffic movements, amend and cancel embargoes, and grant permits to embargo destinations. The difference between an embargo and an OPSL is that an embargo is temporary, applying for up to 1 year, and an OPSL applies for more than a year. From the Launchpad, select AAR Embargo OPSL Permit System. For a list of embargoes, select Embargoes, Search Embargoes from the menu bar. To search for OPSL notes, you would select OPSL notes and search OPSL notes. The forms and functions are basically the same, but we're going to use embargoes for the examples in this video. You have the ability to clone approved embargoes. Cloning is helpful when there is an embargo with similar information that you want to copy into a new embargo. To clone an embargo, open an existing embargo. At the bottom, select the Clone button to be taken to the Issue Embargo page with all the data pre-filled to match the original embargo. Make any appropriate changes and select Save Draft or Issue Embargo. The original embargo will not be deleted or changed in any way. An embargo can also be cloned as an OPSL note by selecting the Clone OPSL Note button. Sometimes embargoes need to be edited after being approved. Here is an example of an embargo with 2 amendments. Select Amend to edit the embargo. Until the amendment is approved or canceled, no one else will see the updates. Once the desired changes are made, submit the embargo for approval. Previous versions of the embargo, as well as amendment reasons, can be reviewed and are selected at the bottom of the embargo. If an embargo has expired, it cannot be reissued. When embargoes are less than 30 days from expiring and need to remain effective, they can be reissued by viewing the embargo details, scrolling to the bottom of the page, and selecting the Reissue button. Click Reissue again to confirm your submission. If the reissue is successful, the status will be Reissue Pending and require approval by an AAR administrator. If an embargo is no longer needed and the expiration date has not yet been reached, it can be canceled by viewing the details, scrolling to the bottom of the page, and selecting Cancel. You will be prompted to enter a reason for the cancellation and then click Cancel Embargo to confirm. Once the internal process is complete, Waybills will no longer receive hold notifications for the canceled embargo. That wraps up our brief overview of managing embargoes in the AAR embargo system. Contact us for more information.